Do you think getting rich is only for those born into wealth? How many times have you worked hard, put in the effort, only to see your money vanish by the end of the month? The truth is, wealth is not about luck. It follows a roadmap. And today I'm going to show you exactly how anyone, even starting from zero, can build a fortune by following a solid, tested, and proven financial plan. In this video, you'll understand why the rich keep getting richer and what you can do, no matter where you come from or how much you earn today, to create your own path to financial freedom. We'll talk about real strategies, concrete numbers, and practical examples you can start applying right now. So if you want to escape the rat race and transform your financial reality, watch until the end, because this could change your life. If you've ever felt frustrated working hard and seeing your money disappear by the end of the month, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how the rich think, plan, and multiply their wealth, and how you can do the same, no matter where you are right now. We'll explore the 5 essential steps to escaping the rat race and building a solid financial future. But first, you need to understand one crucial thing: the biggest mistake that keeps most people from getting rich. Most people are trapped in a vicious financial cycle. They wake up early, work all day, pay bills, and at the end of the month, nothing is left. If this cycle continues, you'll never get rich. This happens because we were taught from an early age that the only way to make money is by exchanging time for a salary. The problem with this mindset is that it makes us completely dependent on active work, meaning that if something happens like losing a job or facing a health issue, everything collapses. Here's a real example. Imagine 2 people earning the exact same salary. The first follows the traditional path, spending everything they earn, financing unnecessary goods, and never investing. The second person, however, decides to invest part of their salary into income-generating assets. 10 years later, the first person is still working with no prospects of change, while the second has built enough wealth to have more financial freedom. The difference? Mindset and strategy. Wealth is not about how much you earn, but what you do with what you earn. Now that you understand the mistake keeping most people stuck, let's go straight to the solution. The money map. This is the step-by-step plan that anyone can follow to build wealth from scratch. And the first step is changing your financial mindset. The way you see money defines your actions and results. Rich people don't see money just as something to spend. They see it as a tool to generate more money. If you believe getting rich is impossible, you'll never look for the right opportunities. But if you start seeing money as a resource that can be multiplied, everything changes. A great example is Warren Buffett, who started by investing small amounts and is now one of the richest men in the world. He understood that every dollar wisely invested could turn into many more over time. The second step is creating an emergency fund. Many believe they'll only start investing when they have a lot of money. But this is a dangerous mindset. Before anything else, you need a secure foundation. If you don't have savings for unexpected events, any emergency can destroy your financial progress. The basic rule is to save at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And if you think you can't save money, here's a challenge. Analyze your expenses and cut out non-essential spending. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in the long run. The third step is increasing your income. Relying on just one income source is a major mistake. Millionaires have multiple streams of revenue, and so can you. This doesn't mean you need to start a $1 million company overnight, but you should start exploring other ways to make money. It could be through freelancing, a small business, or even passive income investments. Imagine someone working 8 hours a day who decides to use 2 extra hours to build something of their own. In a few years, that initiative could become their primary income source. Now that you have an emergency fund and are increasing your income, it's time for the fourth step: investing your money. Letting money sit idle in a checking account is one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. Over time, inflation erodes your purchasing power. The secret to building wealth is making your money work for you. There are many options, such as stocks, real estate funds, and personal businesses. If you don't know where to start, an investment fund can be a good initial option. The important thing is to get started. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. And finally, the fifth step: protecting and scaling your wealth. There's no point in making more money and investing if you don't know how to protect your gains. This means avoiding unnecessary expenses, diversifying investments, and maintaining strict financial control. Many lottery winners lose everything within a few years because they don't know how to manage large sums of money. The secret isn't just making money, but knowing how to keep it and make it grow. Now that you know the 5 steps of the money map, it's important to avoid some fatal mistakes that can destroy your progress. The first mistake is spending more than you earn to impress others. Social media increases the pressure to live a luxurious lifestyle, but the truth is that many people flaunting wealth online are actually drowning in debt. Another common mistake is not investing and letting money sit idle. The false sense of security can be costly in the long run. If your money isn't growing, it's losing value. The third mistake is cutting expenses to the extreme without focusing on increasing income. Yes, saving is important, but the real game changer is making more money. Cutting expenses has a limit, but your income can grow indefinitely. The fourth mistake is relying on only one income source. Financial security comes from diversification. And the fifth mistake is believing that only the rich can invest. Today, anyone can start investing with small amounts. What holds most people back isn't a lack of money, but a lack of knowledge. Now that you know exactly what to do and what to avoid, the question is, will you just watch this video or will you take action? If you truly want to transform your financial life, start by applying at least one of these steps today and let me know in the comments. Which of these steps will you put into practice first? If this content made sense to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share this knowledge with someone who also needs to change their financial life. See you in the next video.